Hi everyone and welcome to this channel, and today we are diving into the world of infrastructure automation, and we are going to compare two popular tools, Ansible and Puppet. So whether you are a seasoned IT professional or just starting out in your DevOps journey, choosing the right tool can be a challenge. So in this video we are going to explore the strengths and the weaknesses of these two tools, Ansible and Puppet. So let's start with Ansible. So imagine managing your infrastructure without any bulky agents on the target system. So that's the beauty of Ansible. So it's agentless, making it super lightweight and easy to set up. So it's beginner friendly, and beginners will love its human readable YAML playbook. So which feels more like a recipes where we get step by step what we want to do than the complex code. If we talk about the key features of Ansible, first feature is it's agentless. Yes, no pre-installed agents required that simplify the setup. Next feature is YAML playbooks. So it uses human readable configuration file, which is a YAML file, and that is easier to learn. Third thing, third feature it is having, it's a very flexible. So it works on various platform and cloud providers. Next, it's a community driven. So it is having large and active community for the support if you get stuck with any kind of issue. But do you think it has all the sunshine and rainbows? Not really. So while Ansible is great for smaller deployments and quick setup, it might struggle with complex configuration and large scale environments. So, additionally, its agentless nature can sometimes limit its security and centralized control capability. So, this is what is about Ansible. So, now let's meet Puppet, the mature and feature rich player in the game. So, it uses agents on managed systems which offers deeper control and extensive functionality. Because of its robustness, makes it ideal for complex deployments and demanding environments. If we talk about the key features, first feature is it's agent based. When Ansible is agentless, it is agent based. That provides better security and centralized management. Next feature is it's mature and feature rich. Yes, it is having extensive functionality for complex configuration. Next feature, it is using declarative language. So you can define your desired state and simplify management. Next feature, it is scalable. Yes, it can handle large deployments with easy. So do you think that Puppet is perfect fit for everyone? Not really. So while Puppet excels in complex scenario, its agent-based architecture adds an extra layer of complexity to set up and manage. So that's why additionally it's a Ruby-based language that might have a steeper learning curve, which require more effort to learn in compared to Ansible's YAML playbook. So which tool has the supreme? Like now we have talked about the features and which is good for which kind of scenario. So we can choose Ansible if we are starting out or managing smaller deployments. If we want to prioritize easy of use and quick wins, or we want value a large and active community. We can choose Puppet if we need extensive functionality and deep control, if we are managing complex deployments or large scale environments, or we are looking for security and centralized management. In that case, we can use Puppet. So I hope you find this video helpful in terms of comparison, in terms of features. So the best tool is the one that empowers you to automate your infrastructure effectively and efficiently. Explore both the tools, Ansible and Puppet. Make your list of pros and cons based on your requirement, and you can choose it. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to click on like button, share with your friends and colleagues. Let me know in the comment which tool you prefer and why. See you in next video with more learning content. Till then, keep learning.